Help people even when you know they can't help you back. The happiest people in life are the givers, not the getters. Truth is like a surgery, it hurts but it heals. A lie is like a painkiller, it gives instant relief but has side effects forever. Speak in such a way that others love to listen to you. Listen in such a way that others love to speak to you. A wise man once said, be careful who you let on your ship, because some people will sink the whole ship just because they can't be the captain. Theory of life: when flood comes, the fish eat ants, but when water dries, the ant eat fish. Life gives chance to everyone, just have to wait for our turn. Never lose hope. Just when you think it's over, God sends you a miracle. It is not the age that makes you mature, it is the responsibility. Don't be a parrot in life, be an eagle. A parrot talks too much but can't fly high, but an eagle is silent and had the power to touch the sky. Life is like a book, some chapters sad, some happy and some exciting, but if you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter holds. Life is about balance. Be kind but don't let people abuse you. Trust but don't be deceived. Be content but never stop improving yourself. Beautiful things happen when you distance yourself from negativity. Always notice the people who are happy for your happiness and sad for your sadness. They are the ones who deserve special places in your heart. No one in this world is pure and perfect. If you avoid people for their mistakes, you will always be alone. So judge less and love more. Two fundamentals of cool life: walk like you are king or walk like you don't care who is king. Respect is the most important element of our personality. It is like an investment. Whatever we give to others, it is returned to us with profit. Every girl has that one male friend with whom she shares all her feelings without any fear. The mirror reflects your image, but your soul reflects your beauty. In every glance, every tear, every smile, your true nature shines through. Life is so ironic. It takes sadness to know happiness, noise to appreciate silence, and absence to value presence. Hope is like a bird that senses the dawn and carefully starts to sing while it is still dark. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Today, take a few minutes to sit quietly and be thankful for all that you have. The story of becoming beautiful isn't about the ugly duckling becoming a swan. It is about the ugly duckling realizing it was a swan all along. Sometimes you have to accept the fact that certain things will never go back to the way they used to be. Never feel sad on losing anything in life, because whenever a tree loses its leaf, a new leaf is ready to take its place. Never stop doing little things for others. Sometimes those little things occupy the biggest part of their hearts. You can meet somebody tomorrow who has better intentions for you than someone you have known forever. Time means nothing, character does. Never hate people who are jealous of you. Respect their jealousy. They are the people who think you are better than them. Never discuss your success and never worry about your failure, because both will affect your next step. Believe yourself, move on, and win a life. Be an example. Show kindness to unkind people. Forgive people who don't deserve it. Love unconditionally. Your actions always reflect who you are. Sometimes you just have to remove people without warning. We are getting too old to be explaining what they already know they are doing wrong. Appreciate those who love you. Help those who need you. Forgive those who hurt you. Forget those who leave you. Never beg for a friendship or a relationship with anyone. If you don't receive the same effect you give, cut them off. Pure heart is the greatest temple in the world. Don't believe the smiling face, but believe the smiling heart. They are very rare in this world. Kindness is like snow. It beautifies everything it covers. In life, it's important to know when to stop arguing with people and simply let them be wrong. God is still the best doctor and prayer is still the best medicine. We don't talk about trees getting older, we say they are growing. Let us use the same term for ourselves. We are not getting older, we are just growing. That's the spirit of living. Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Always take extra care of three things in life: promise, friendship, and relationship. Because they don't make noise, but when they break, they create silence. Every test in our life makes us bitter or better. Every problem comes to break us or make us. The choice is ours, whether we become victim or victor. Distance yourself from the people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, put you down, drag you down. Always the wrong person gives you the right lesson in life. There is no elevator to success, you have to take the stairs. Strong people don't put others down, they lift them up. Sometimes things that hurt you most teach you the greatest lessons in life. Your degree is just a piece of paper, your education is seen in your behavior. Mother, someone who loves you unconditionally until her last breath. Marriage doesn't guarantee it will last forever. It's only paper. It takes love, respect, trust, understanding, friendship, and faith to make it last. A real man spoils his lady with attention, affection, respect, honesty, loyalty, and love. Love is not only made for lovers, it is also for friends who love each other better than lovers. A real friend is very hard to find, difficult to leave, and impossible to forget. Seeing my friends happy makes me happy. I wish the best for them because they deserve it. Don't trust people whose feelings change with time. Trust people whose feelings remain the same even when the time changes. Don't change so people will like you. Be yourself and the right people will love the real you. Negative thoughts and tensions are like birds. We cannot stop them from flying near us, but we can stop them from making a nest in our mind. Note to self, don't measure your progress using someone else's ruler. Be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. Give time some time. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, because when you give your time, you are giving a portion of your life that you will never get back. Use your smile to change the world. Don't let the world to change your smile. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. Speak only when you feel that your words are better than your silence. If you don't like where you are, move. You are not a tree. Never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Someday we will find what we are looking for, or maybe we won't. Maybe we will find something much greater than that. Accept what is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. You can't change how people treat you or what they say about you. All you can do is change how you react to it. Nothing is ever wrong. We learn from every step we mistake. Whatever you did today was the way it was meant to be. Be proud of yourself for trying. Be the reason someone feels welcome, seen, heard, valued, loved, and supported. Some can touch without feeling anything, and some feel everything with the absence of touch. Sometimes in life we just need a hug, no words, no advice, just a hug to make you feel you matter. I innocently believe that spring comes from your heart. I am who I am, not who you think I am, not who you want me to be. I am me. You must find the courage to lead the table if respect is no longer being solved. Secret of mind: when mind is weak, situation is a problem. When mind is balanced, situation is challenge. When mind is strong, situation becomes opportunity. Obstacles don't block the path. The obstacle is the path. Never assume that loud is strong and silence is weak. Silence can be a source of great strength. Every story has an end, but in life, every ending is just a new beginning. These pains you feel are messengers, listen to them. He said, "How long will you boil in the fire?" I said, "Until I am pure." What am I to do but surrender to the will of my beloved? Not only thirsty seeks water, the water as well seeks thirsty. Today, let us swim wildly, joyously, in gratitude. My day is better when I talk to God first. Unconditional love doesn't mean unconditional acceptance of bad behavior. Never sacrifice three things: your family, your heart, your dignity. I'm blessed with everything I need. I'm working towards everything I want. Most importantly, I appreciate and thank God for everything I have. Burn your ego before it burns you. Always help someone. You might be the only one that does. Don't lose hope. Please believe that there are 1,000 beautiful things waiting for you. Sunshine comes to all who feel rain. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. Trust your journey. Your speed doesn't matter. Forward is forward. When you rise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. The hardest walk you make is alone, but it's the walk that will make you stronger. It is only with the heart that one can see clearly, for the most essential things are invisible to the eye.
ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।